Hi guys, and welcome to HitchUpAndTow. Today, something slightly different. I have a parcel. Now, before we start, this is not a paid promotion. We weren't given this to do a review or anything like that. We just saw it online and thought, that might come in handy. Okay, now for the unboxing. This might be a total fail, I don't know. But if it is, we'll let you know. But I don't know about you, but keeping the caravan clean, especially in a storage yard, isn't the easiest. So we saw this thing online and thought, let's give it a go. So what I'll do, I'll just let you know what's inside. I haven't even opened it yet, so I hope it is what I think it is. Okay, so it doesn't come in its own box, it's just boxed like this. I think it's from China, so there we go. There we go. Some nozzles, some filters in the bag. And as you can see on the back, yes, this is a jet wash. Portable, very small. So I thought, ideal for the caravan. Comes with a little soap or whatever you put in that to spray onto your caravan, keep it clean. The gun itself, there we go, battery operated, hose plugs in there. The other end of the hose goes into a bucket, so ideal, plug it into your aqua roll and you've got yourself a little jet wash. Also, there we go, there's your hose. Don't know how long this hose is, find out when we use it. There's your battery. There's your second battery. Now, don't know, these are 21 volt. Don't know how long they'll last for, but at least you've got two, get them charged up. A free microfiber cloth. Don't know. The charger. Oh, and it even comes with a collapsible bucket. Don't think that'll hold a lot of water, but you can give it a go, I suppose. I'm more than likely going to be using the aqua roll, especially down in the storage. I can fill the aqua roll up, take it over to the caravan and give this a go. Don't know how well it's going to wash. Like I say, it's only a small little unit, but if it works, this would be ideal. Now I have heard that in this bag, let's get it out. This filter, what goes on the end of the water line and it goes into your bucket or your aqua roll, floats. So people said you need something to weigh this down. This is the only bad review I could find about the product. So I hope that is the only thing that's really wrong with it. So weigh that down so that goes into your bucket. This, I presume, it goes on the end here. So like so, or the other way maybe. Then you've got a bucket, not a bucket, a bowl, container, I can't speak today. Put your soap in. And I don't know what they call this, but it goes on the end, it gives you the better jet or something, I don't know. You've got your water lock tight for your pipe and a couple of other fittings to go on. And instructions. We shall take a picture of these and put them up because I'll probably be able to read it easier. Pause the video, have a look through. But there it is. That is my jet wash. Portable, 21 volts. Hopefully ideal for the caravan. What I will do is, when I get a chance, probably next week, pop down to the van and give this a go. And if it's no good, I will tell you. But if it does work, big bonus for me. Because I must admit, it's one job I'm not great at. But if this works, it will help a lot. And I'll let you know. Until then, bye for now.